Hi, I'm Roger from EVANNEX. Today we're going to talk about the installation of the EVANNEX dead pedal cover for Model X. Installation is quite simple, and this dead pedal cover complements our performance pedal covers, which have the same look and the same approach. Let's get started. The EVANNEX dead pedal cover is a nice complement to our performance pedal covers. It gives the lower part of your driver compartment a really nice sporty look. How do we install this thing? The first thing we do is remove any carpeting or floor mats that you might have in your car. So we pull that out temporarily. We then take and remove the cover for the adhesive backing on the back of the dead pedal cover. We then position the cover directly on the carpeting that covers the dead pedal. The adhesive is designed to stick very nicely with a very strong bond. This is an eyeball operation. You place it in a location that you feel is appropriate and simply press down hard. All right, once it's pressed down, it is in place and will not move. It is not a bad idea to then get in the car and with your foot seated in the driver's seat, press down for about 15 or 20 seconds just to seat the piece. Once that's done, we replace our carpeting and we are good to go.